In single unit traceability, the first and most important step is to create and connect a unique product identity. Second Thought's UPIDS is a unique product identity service that can give the product a unique digital identity, one package at a time.
Bakery Rooston with Second Thought UPIDS is in the front line of food traceability, which opens up new interesting channels for marketing.
UPIDS by Second Thought generates unique identifiers that may be used with any product or asset of any volume and data associated with the identifier, and enables single unit traceability for each single piece of the production run. The data of each unit can be enhanced further on the way. When the unique identity QR code is scanned with a smart device, the consumer can get a wealth of information about the product. There's even a direct feedback form. The consumer can send an email and it's linked with the actual package. It's like each package has its own birth certificate and social security number.